This is a Casablanca Venus. Also the power line fan. And I'm the only one that calls it that because it looks like it's got a fucking glass insulator on it. But, yeah. I got this from Fanimation from Don and Blahut. And he was nice enough to include a control. So, here's speed 1. Nothing special. Speed 2. Once again, nothing crazy. Speed 3. So about medium. Alright, let's go speed 4. And yeah, the IntelliTouch is like 6.5 feet on the wall. 6 or 7 feet on the wall. And I lost track of what speed I'm on. I think that's 5. Let's go to 6. And there's 6. Which of course it wobbles. Because why wouldn't it? It's great. And there's that. More Casablanca stuff. More Casablancas. And then 1895. But that's right, I forgot this thing. For some reason, I think the board's going out in the Venus because it becomes irresponsive on high. And that's a sign that the board's going bad. Because that happened in my Zephyr, which the board is now going bad, or it is bad. I give all my dead boards to a kid in my class. He tears them apart and does whatever. There's the Venus. You thought I was going to do a spin down. I don't give 2 shits about them. But yeah. So this is the new wiring setup. 1 switch instead of 2. It got dark in here. But yeah.